Following message is transmitted at the request of the DASDEC County Police Department. 911 telephone outages have been reported across the county for an unknown reason. If you have an emergency, please dial 1-248-434-5508. Do not try to dial 911 at this time. An administrative message will follow after the 911 phone lines are fixed. Once again, please call 1-248-434-5508 if you have an emergency during this time.
Release this little greenie back to the wild. We're going to add some technology. We're going to add an acoustic transmitter.
We are.